Welcome to the class of chemical library preparation. For preparation of a chemical library, first we should know the small forms of the chemical for which we want to prepare a chemical library. So for this purpose, first we will collect the small forms of the drugs. From the small forms of the drugs, we will collect the similar structures from the database PubChem. Then from this SDF files which are collected from the PubMed, we are going to create a chemical library. Now we will see how we are going to prepare a chemical library. Okay, so for that first we will go to the Google and then we plan to collect the chemical library for the drugs against HIV. So we will see the drugs which are available against HIV, and from that list we will collect the chemical libraries. Okay, so we already searched the database and we have some list of drugs which are used against the HIV, and from that we will search the database. So the list which is derived from the page, this is the page which is used for collect the list of HIV drugs. So from this page you can have the list of drugs here which is used against HIV proteases. So these are the drugs for which we are going to prepare a chemical library. So first drug is sacunaver. So these four drugs are actually listed here: sacunaver, ritonavir, indiavir and neflavir. If you compare the things here, the four drugs are selected. So for these four drugs we are going to collect the small forms. So to collect informations of the drugs, we have to go to the drug bank database. So we have to go to drug bank database. So in this drug bank database we have to collect the small form of the drug sacunaver. And then after collecting the small form of the sacunaver, we have to go to the other database, that is PubMed, to get the chemical structure. So here you can see the small form. You can click this button so that we will get the small form of this drug sacunaver. So we will copy this small format and then we will go to the Google. Through that we will reach the PubChem database. In the PubChem database we will go for the PubChem search. So we are going to search the PubChem. So PubChem, and this when you go to this PubChem, we have a PubChem structure search link, and to this PubChem search link we will have identity and similarity search. And with this search there is an option for the smile search. I will paste the smile here, and then you can change this option into a similar compound score greater than 95 option. Then you have to click the search button. Now this PubChem search actually search the PubChem databases and it will list the compounds which are similar to the structure of this molecule. There are around 182 compounds are identified which are having similar structure to this. So once the search is over, there is a link, structure download link will be available here. So by using this link we will download the structure, and here the structure file format will be SDF, and then it should not have any zip format. So you change this, then you click the download button. So now the similar compounds of the retina of a drug we are going to get from this PubChem database. So this is how we have to collect the SDF format of the drugs for all 4 drugs. For all the 4 drugs you have to collect the SDF files like this way. So you can save this SDF file. You can save this SDF file in a folder. So like this, we have saved 4 SDF files in this folder. So in the class folder you can see this. There are about 4 files of SDF stored here, and then after you are saving all the 4 drugs, you can open each file by using WordPad. Okay. So after opening each SDF file, say this is the first file, and then you save the first file as chemicals SDF. So you can select this as a text format option, and you save the name should be changed as chemicals. So now we will change this as chemicals. And then it should be given in written quotes so that it should be saved in the same format. In this folder we are saving it as chemicals SDF. Okay. Now you open the second SDF file by using the same WordPad, and you can copy the whole file, and then you can paste at the end of the first SDF file. By placing enter, paste the second file content. So after pasting it, you just save this file. It will ask to save it. So this is how you can save each files into a single file as chemicals SDF. So like this, all the 4 files content are saved in a single file as chemical.sdf. To check whether the components are saved properly, you can open this particular file. See, just now we saved this, and you can open this file by using this Marvin View applications. Do you remember? I hope the first file contains around 180 molecules, and second one also contains around 180 molecules. So when you combine these 2 files, it will have more than 200 data. So now when you move this file downwards, so you will have number of things, molecules will be increased. So this is how you can combine. So the files open without any error. It itself indicates that the file is in correct format. So this is how we can combine different SDF file into a single file. So if you want to create a molecular database or chemical database for different drugs, and then you can get the SMILE of the drugs from the drug bank, and then go to the PubChem search, and there you collect the similar compounds of the drug, and then you combine all the chemicals into a single SDF file as chemicals.sdf. Okay, so after combining this, you can open the file to check whether the file is in good condition or not. So this ends the chemical library preparation tutorial.